Yo, what's up? Hey, what's up, y'all? If you haven't noticed, you're up for another episode of Unbagging. Hey, right on for looking out. And if you haven't yet, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you'll be notified every time I drop something new. So today, I'm back on some other stuff. So we're gonna do some sausage sandwiches. I don't know, to all my Pueblo people out there, you know, we got the Pasky special, the Ian's grinder, and now we're gonna have Javi G's Unbagging the grinder. Shout out to everybody that's liking, subscribing. But we got the good bolillo buns. We're gonna warm them up a little bit. A little bit of lettuce. I got a little bit of mustard. I'm gonna send this on the inside, but you know what to do. Always make sure your tank's ready to go. And I know I've said it before, so make sure if you want to find out where your tank's at on your propane, you pour hot water on it. It'll freeze. So boom. We got the flat iron going, so everything's good. So kick back, relax, and let's do this. All right, guys. So you saw how easy that was. That was just a little quick burner and stuff like that. So I warmed up the bun a little bit. Grabbed me a little thing like that. You know, got some stuff. I usually like to put a little lettuce on it, like that. Oh, let's see. I don't have a neighbor anymore, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, oh yeah. And just like that, you get it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Mmm. Mm. How easy that was just to set up the little the sausage. This is one of my favorite sandwiches in the world. Is an Italian sausage sandwich. Mm. It's something about the sausage, the lettuce, the provolone cheese, and the mustard that makes it taste delicious, delicious. Mmm. You know, and just to say too, this is pretty awesome with like this would be good with like some chips, some French fries. You know, there's some regular ass Lay's potato chips. That's always good. I mean, look at that. See if that'll focus on that instead of me. But this is pretty good though. Pretty good little sandwich. Mmm. I noticed I've been on a hiatus for a minute. Doing very very small visuals. Hopefully this will help me get back up on my grind. I was slipping for a little bit. Kind of let the devil get to me. You know, bring me down a little bit. Been sipping on a little bit of beers too much and doing shit like that and not thinking about putting quality content out to you guys. So let's get back on our grind, get back into love, and start doing more stuff. But make sure you guys do like, subscribe, because a lot of you ghost watchers are the ones that watch my videos. People that are subscribed to my channel don't even watch my videos, and that's what's weird. So don't be a Fulio, and you know what I mean, one of them Fulio Gillian gangsters. But definitely Boulder sausage, best sausage to get. You'll love it, you'll love it. Word up, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that little bell, and so you'll be notified every time I drop something new. But what I want to say to you is thank you for spending a little bit of time with me today. Until we see each other again, hey, be safe.